Hello and welcome to the 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. I am here with Boston Whaler and Spencer, and he's going to tell us a little bit about a new model that they're offering. Spencer, would you introduce yourself and let them know what we were sitting on here today?
Certainly. Thanks for having me aboard here. My name is Spencer Traynom. I work in product development for Boston Whaler. Work with a team, a very large team of highly skilled engineers, draftsmen, tradespeople, developing some of the best product in the world. So we are sitting here on a recently released, the last couple days, model year 2020 325 Conquest. 325 Conquest builds on the heels of a very successful 315 Conquest, but it's time to replace it, time to up the styling.
Right.
So what we've done, we put a brand new hull underneath the 325 Conquest. The boat is a foot longer, and we've reproportioned the space. So the foot that we gave the boat, we gave 15 inches here to the helm deck,
Wow.
which allowed some really cool features that you're sitting on.
Okay.
In addition to some styling on the outside that lets you see a little bit closer to the water, a little bit more visceral feeling with the water. In addition to a single piece windshield up front with dual independent vents. So some really nice features. You're at an elevated position for elevated product.
That's fantastic. All right, so you mentioned that I'm sitting on something very cool. So what,
Yes.
what does this do here? I'll get out of the way and
So-
I'll let you show me what's
Yes,
up.
certainly. So our product development team, we harness a lot of voice of customer research, and what we've learned is that obviously customers don't like running a boat facing aft, right? So what we've done, we've converted this space. So I'll show you a few of the different configurations here. So we'll remove that portion of the filler. Two patents we've got applied for here in this mechanism. Very, very simple, very, very smooth. Locks out,
There you go.
and there you go, forward-facing seating. In this position, you've still got a place up here that can harness a small kid. Well, you can tuck him back in the back, or even get your leg up, just for a little bit more comfortable cruising. Come back to this position, and we'll get rid of our filler entirely.
Okay.
Unlock the base.
Oh, wow. And it's dinner time.
And it's dinner time.
Well, that is amazing.
Yeah, so again, I think we're really good at converting space to, real estate on a boat is precious,
Absolutely.
and anytime you can do more than one thing in the same space, it's always a winner.
I totally agree. That's fantastic. All right. Well, thank you very much for showing us around. If you guys are interested in more information and you're in the Fort Lauderdale area, stop by the boat show. It's happening all weekend long. Amazing models on display. A lot of new stuff from Boston Whaler. If you cannot join us in person, you can attend the show online. Go to MarineMax.com/online boat show, where you can view product walkthroughs. You can actually place a deposit on a boat to hold it if you see the one you want and you want to make it yours. You can take advantage of all the boat show specials that are going on and are offered to the people here, and you can chat live with our boating experts. So whether you can visit us in person here or online, we'd love to see you, and we'd love to show you more about this boat. Right, Spencer?
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
All right, thank you.